This one.
Yeah, this is very beautiful. I like this too. And the light, in the evening you can see light goes down and comes up. Light goes down. Yes.
Так, so, what's the name of room?
Junior suite.
Junior suite.
So fully renovated, brand new.
But all room fully renovated. So before Mandarin go?
Yes, yes. In this building, it's fully renovated.
So room is huge.
Yeah.
64 meters.
60.5 meter for junior suite.
And you have this Italian.
Yes, both
Cosmetic.
shower and Italian.
So good design.
Yes, design is really nice. No, we got a lot of comments from the customers, either us, Four Seasons, and other hotels. Our hotel is very designed, and also this is very unique piece. As a Mandarin brand, we have the Asian touch everywhere. So you can
you
see,
have,
you can see the color, red color, the Oriental touch is always there. And also the decorations you can see there. Yeah.
Oriental touch.
Yes.
Seat category, we have twin and king bed as well.
Yes. This is a twin room. Unfortunately, the availability, as I said, we are very busy today, so I don't have the availability. So our hotel is somehow iconic in Riyadh. When you think about Riyadh symbol, we have the Four Seasons Tower
And,
and
you have,
this one. So these two are iconic for Riyadh.
what you call this
The restaurant,
no, this.
It's a globe.
No, this like.
observation tower.
No,
Yeah, the globe, the globe.
globe.
The globe. There is a restaurant. We have a restaurant there. The globe
And cigar lounge.
and cigar lounge.